Good morning, everyone. I am Priyanka Rajput, Assistant Professor of SIRT EX Department. Today we learn about the topic of regulation and deregulation. In previous lecture, we have already discussed about the problem associated with the interconnected system in a power system. So now we'll discuss about the regulations and deregulation. Before understanding the deregulation, I am explaining here about the regulation. What is a regulation? Regulation means government has set down law and rules that put limits on and define how a particular industries or company can operate. Means गवर्नमेंट ने कुछ रूल और रेगुलेशंस सेट कर दिए हैं जिसके थ्रू क्या होता है कि कोई भी कंपनी है वो रन करेगी, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड रेगुलेशंस. Now, what is a regulations? Again, regulations means the government has set down the laws and the rules that put limits on and define how a particular industries or companies can operate. Nearly all the industries in all the nations worldwide are regulated to some extent, even if it is in only with laws that contains them to do business under fair or fully disclose business practices or to operate their facilities within recommended safety guidelines. So what is the important benefits for regulations? First one, it's legalize the electric utility businesses. Second one is it's approving rights of way, and then it assure a return on investment regulated as that might be. Third one is it establish local monopoly, means fixed a particular area for business. Now, the key characteristics of the regulations. First one is a monopoly franchisee. Only the local electric utility can produce, move, or sell commercial electric power within its service territories. Second one is obligations to serve. Third one is a regulatory oversights. Fourth one is a least cost operation, and last one is a regulatory. Then in a regulations time, vertical integrated diagram will be allowed, means generation, transmission, distribution, and customers. Means energy will flow in only one direction, from generation to transmission to distribution, then after customers. Means, and you can see in this diagram, power will flow only one directions and money will flow only from customer to distribution. Means that time only one generating companies that will that was generate, then after transmitted, then after distributed, then after we use as a customer. But in a after regulation, introducing deregulations means introduce new structures as a vertical structure in regulation times, but whenever deregulation is became, that time this structure will change in the horizontal structures. Means deregulation means what? The electric deregulation is the process of changing rule and regulations that control the electric industries or to provide customer the choice of the electricity suppliers who are either retailer or trades by allowing competitions. This is new structure for all the process. Now, the deregulations in power system means the main object for their becoming a deregulation. First one, to provide the electricity for all reasonable demand. Second one is to encourage the competitions for generation and supply of electricity. Third one is to improve the continuity of supply and the quality of services. Fourth one is to promote efficiency and economy of the power system. Then main concept, important concept for the deregulation are, first one is a competition. Means why becoming a deregulation? Cause of encouraging the competition, cause the competition is at two levels in deregulated power industry: wholesaler, generator, and retailers. Next, deregulation The rules governing the electric power industries are changed. The new structure. Third one is a open access. By becoming a deregulation, cause encouraging the privatizations. We all knows in almost states will converted electricity offices are converted in the privatizations. Yeah. Then second one is the increased competitions. By increased competition, if competitions is there, so means quality will improve, efficiency will improve. That's why it's very important for increasing the competitions. Increase the efficient power generation, increase the efficient transmissions, increase efficient distribution, reductions Indian power network, restructure Indian power network, public and private sector coordinators, reduce power cost. Okay. Now, before you can see here, before structure will use generation, transmission, distribution, and customer, but now the structure will use generation, transmission, generation name, new name is a Genco, Transco, Disco, customer, and PX. PX means power exchanger. ISO means independent system operator. RESCO means retailer energy service company. You can see here power will flow in all the direction, almost direction, and money is also flow in all this. So this is the some views, some discussions related to regulation and deregulation. In next lecture, we will discuss about the restructuring, detailing about all the restructuring parts. So thank you everyone. Thank you.